So the Wake Up and Learn program is something that I'm extraordinarily proud of. It's a program that I founded, which is a school-based sleep education and surveillance program. So as a sleep provider, of course, I love seeing patients in the clinic, but the reality is that that's not convenient for them, nor am I capturing the number of children who actually do have a sleep problem. So really taking the role of what the World Health Organization has recommended as saying disorders that are common, that are able to be screened and are treatable, they should be screened in school. So we use that model and applied that in school. What we've identified really is informing further some of the considerations that we're thinking about in terms of children and school kind of infrastructure. So in the United States, it's very common to hear the conversation about delayed school start times and how that may contribute. What our findings are starting to demonstrate is the fact that excessive daytime sleepiness, number one, is very prevalent. However, it's not fixed, meaning that when we did this in the beginning of the school year, we saw about 17% of students having excessive daytime sleepiness. When we repeated this later on in the school year, we demonstrated that about 15%. So we would look at those statistics and say, great, we're seeing interval improvement. However, the part that is very striking is that only 30% of those students were ones that were sleepy in the beginning of the year, meaning that the majority of these students who are expressing excessive daytime sleepiness are new sleepiness, meaning that there is more than just delayed school start times or school start times as a contributing factor to why there is sleep problems in these teens. The thing that is not presented in this poster, but we do plan on submitting in a manuscript, is that we also are seeing other significant changes, especially when we're looking at the different grades. Our 7th and 9th graders having very different sleep patterns than our 10th to 12th graders, which I think is only contributing to our understanding of thinking about the infrastructure and ecosystem of our children and how we actually can make meaningful changes for them.